Stuck on the DoorDash Waitlist 2024? Here's what you need to know. Hey everyone, are you one of the many aspiring Dashers stuck on the infamous DoorDash waitlist in 2024? You're not alone. This video will break down everything you need to know about the waitlist, including some potential solutions and alternative options. Understanding the waitlist. DoorDash uses a waitlist to manage the number of Dashers in a particular area. This helps ensure there are enough orders to go around and maintain a smooth delivery experience. However, it can be frustrating for new applicants like yourselves. We'll discuss the official DoorDash response you might receive when placed on the waitlist. 1. Temporary hold due to high Dasher volume in your area. This means DoorDash has a sufficient number of Dashers delivering in your area right now. To maintain a smooth operation and ensure there are enough orders for everyone, they've temporarily paused accepting new applicants. Think of it like a crowded restaurant with a waitlist for tables. They can only seat new customers once some tables open up. 2. No control over your starting point, zip code. Unfortunately, when you apply, you can't choose the specific zip code where you want to start dashing. DoorDash uses an algorithm to manage Dasher distribution based on various factors like order volume and driver density. This ensures orders get delivered efficiently and on time. While you can't choose your initial zone, the good news is that once you're activated as a Dasher, you have the flexibility to dash in any available zone within your designated market. Weekly status checks recommended, every Monday. DoorDash doesn't provide a specific timeframe for how long the waitlist might last. However, they recommend checking your application status every Monday. This doesn't guarantee an update every week, but it's a good habit to stay in the loop. Imagine the waitlist like a line moving at an unknown pace. Checking on Mondays lets you know if you're getting closer to the front. Alternatives while you wait. While the wait can be lengthy, some reports mention 2 years. Here are some options to keep your gig economy journey going. Explore other delivery apps. Consider signing up for Uber Eats, Grubhub, or Instacart. These platforms might have shorter waitlists or immediate openings. Maintain current job security. Remember, gig work is a side hustle. Don't rely solely on DoorDash approval to make ends meet. Questionable bypassing methods. We've heard rumors about creating new accounts with different zip codes. This tactic might get you activated initially, but it potentially violates DoorDash's terms of service and could lead to deactivation later. We don't recommend this method. Staying informed and prepared. Here are some resources to help you stay informed and prepared for when the waitlist clears. DoorDash Dasher Help Center. Find FAQs and answers to common questions about waitlists and the application process. Watch the "What It's Like to Dash" video. Get a taste of what dashing entails and prepare yourself for the experience. Subscribe to our channel. While you wait to hit the road with DoorDash, why not subscribe to our channel? We upload new videos every week packed with gig economy tips, app reviews, and helpful content to keep you prepared for when your waitlist clears and you can start dashing. The DoorDash waitlist can be frustrating, but don't give up. Utilize this time strategically by exploring other opportunities. Stay informed and keep checking your application status. Good luck on your dashing journey.